Okay, so I see we're about running out of time now, so we're going to wrap up. Right before you leave, we're going to wrap up. A lot of times, if you just take a minute to sort of reflect on what you've learned today, it helps stick with you a little better, and then it'll help me help you the next time, because I can kind of see what you understood and what you didn't. So that's where this exit slip comes in. So what I kind of would like you to write is just write, and it doesn't, it really only has to make sense to us. It doesn't have to, it's not a teacher looking at it or anything, it's for me to look at. But just sort of today write about something that you found surprising. Something about this story because you never read it before. And a lot of times, I don't know if you grew up going to the church and read the story of creation, like we sort of a lot of times have the story of creation or evolution in our head about how the world began. And this is kind of this story is sort of a similar type of story. So what did you find surprising?
So could I do how, like, Gilgamesh is supposed to be like 2 parts God, but then he's like does all this stuff, like he rapes people, and that doesn't really make sense.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. So go ahead and write a sentence about that. Like,
okay.
no, just write it.
Okay.
So let me see here. So Gilgamesh was 2/3 God, but he did evil stuff like rape women, right? Sort of seems to conflict each other, right? That's really good. I know we didn't finish our whole objective because we wanted to get through the whole plot, but I feel like what we went through, you have a pretty good understanding of how do you feel. All right, so I want you, when you go into class, I want you to see, pay attention, and it should help you really understand what the professor presents and see if that helps you any. Next time you come, hopefully you'll have read a little bit more in class. I want you to try, see if you can get through some stuff on your own. But next time we'll try to get a little further into the poem. If you have any questions, write them down somewhere or try to remember them. But a lot of times it makes more sense. Like if you use your book in class and while you're going along, if something the professor goes over and you don't want to ask a question, write the question down in your book and bring it, and then we can go over it together. I might not know all the answers, but we'll find them one way or another, okay?
Okay.
I think you did a really, really good job. I'm looking forward to this, and I'll see you Thursday.
Okay.
All right. Bye.